Good afternoon, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Elsie Rotora Sonyo, 36 years old, married with 2 children, 12 years old and 2 years old. I'm a college graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I live here in the province of Pangasinan. I have a local experience as a teacher for 4 years. I have a local experience as a helper for newborn for 4 years. I have overseas experience as a DH in Hong Kong for 2 years and 8 months with the 6 members of the family, 4 adults and 2 kids. The ages of the 2 kids are 1.5 and 4 years old. I do cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing the clothes, marketing, playing with the kids, sending them to school, pick up them from school, playing with them, sleep with the kids. To my future employer, I promise to do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. I am a loyal, honest, responsible, hardworking, and God-fearing. Thank you and more power. God bless, Ma'am and Sir.